Today we are going to discuss the next paper syllabus, that is paper number 4, semester 2nd. Friends, you know our college is associated or affiliated with Shivaji University Kolhapur, and the university forms the syllabus. So this is already we have studied the paper first in last semester, the mechanics first, in which we have studied the vectors, ordinary differential equation, laws of motion, momentum and energy, and last one chapter which was deleted for this year's examination, that is rotational motion. The next chapter of paper 2nd, mechanics 2nd, consisting the gravitation, oscillations, elasticity, surface tension, etc. But as far as this examination is concerned, the surface tension deleted from the syllabus. Now, in this semester, we have already discussed the physics paper 3rd, that is, the name of this paper is electricity and magnetism, which consists the 2 chapters or 2 units, we may say. One is vector analysis and another is called the electrostatic. हे दोन्ही चॅप्टर आपण काल डिस्कस केलेले आहेत. तर आज आपण पुढचा एक पेपर जो आहे तुमच्यासाठी या 2nd सेमिस्टरसाठी तो आपण बघूया. त्या पेपरचं नाव आहे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अँड मॅग्नेटिझम पेपर 2nd. It consists the 2 units. First unit consists 2 chapters. That is, first chapter is AC circuit. I think you may write all the points so that you can understand what type of the syllabus we have to study in next few months, and what are the points more important for the purpose of the examinations as well as for the purpose of the understanding of the physics. So already you have studied the AC circuits in 12th standard. That is, AC circuit consisting of the resistances, then capacitor, inductance, through which when AC is passed, how that current and voltage behave, we already discussed in 12th standard, and you know that. This year we are going to discuss the complex numbers and their applications in solving AC series LCR circuit. So complex numbers, you know that is A plus IB, where I is equal to the complex, that is the number I is equal to square root of -1. By using that complex number, one can solve the AC series LCR circuit. Similarly, complex impedance, complex reactance, complex admittance, complex susceptance, and the resonance in LCR circuit. Resonance means the flow of maximum current through the LCR circuit when the resistance or reactance of the total circuits, that is called as the impedance of the circuit, is made. So next point is the divergence and curl of magnetic field, magnetic vector potential, Ampere circuital law, magnetic properties of the various materials, that is magnetic materials. Those properties are magnetic intensity, magnetic induction, permeability, magnetic susceptibility, and also we are going to introduce some brief basic theories of dia, para and ferromagnetic materials. So this is overall the chapter, that is magnetism. Next chapter is electromagnetic induction, which has the only 5 hours. It consists the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, Lenz's law, self and mutual inductance. That is, the L is the inductance of single coil, M is the mutual inductance of two coils, and energy stored in the magnetic field. This is the total syllabus of the paper, that is unit number 4, chapter 1st. The chapter 2nd consisting named as the Maxwell's equation and electromagnetic wave propagation, but this chapter is, half of this chapter is deleted for your examination. So it consists only up to this now. See, that is the equation of continuity of current, displacement current, Maxwell's equations, Poynting vector, and the energy density in electromagnetic field. And from this part, this portion is deleted for your examination. So this is the overall syllabus of paper 4, which is named Electricity and Magnetism, paper 2nd. It consists the AC circuit, first chapter, magnetism, second chapter, electromagnetic induction, third chapter, and fourth chapter is Maxwell's equation and electromagnetic wave propagation, where the electromagnetic wave propagation and more on, that is the syllabus is deleted. So this is the paper 2nd, paper number 4, and paper number 1st, or it is also called as the paper number 3rd for the semester 2nd. The electricity and magnetism we have already discussed, that is, it consists the 2 chapters, that is vector analysis and electrostatic. Half of this electrostatic is also deleted from this year. I think from the capacitance to this portion was deleted for your syllabus. So this chapter is only half. So this is overall the syllabus of BSc first semester 2nd for physics. And if that is the government allows, then you will have to perform some experiments also, but later on we will discuss about what are the experiments you have to do if the college offline starts. But you must also consider about the different reference books used for this syllabus, so that you can study very well and understand the concepts very well. Though we are teaching deeply each and every concepts, but you need to, that is the study more. So these are the reference books, that is the electricity and magnetism, McGraw-Hill education. Second is electricity and magnetism, then electricity and magnetism by Tayal, University Physics by Ronald Lane Racing. Then one more important book, that is known as the electricity and magnetism by Khare and Srivastava. It is very important book, but it is very easy book also. You can read this book for as a reference, and you may consider the University Physics, Young and Friedman. This is also more important book because it gives you large number of experiments, demonstrative experiments, and overall. So this is overall the syllabus of paper 2nd. Thank you.